Hello my lovely people, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. As you all know that I'm a professional beautician. My name is Raquel Joy. I live in Germany, in Hanover, beautiful city. Today's topic is going to be about what I do really. How do I travel? How does a beautician, Raquel, how does Raquel travel? What does Raquel really? As you can really see, my suitcase is right here, just behind me. I am so ready to go. Like, I am so ready, guys, to fly out. It's been a very long, it's been a long time since I last flew out of the country. But because it's a beautiful channel, we are going to start by taking care of ourselves. Please grab something you have. As Raquel, I'm going to grab a bottle of water, and then I'll just put it in my glass with a slice of lemon. And guys, cheers, and let's just slide in and we just take off with what I'm going to be sharing with you. I do not complicate most of the times anything. I do not travel complicated, and I never complicate anything. So guys, remember, Yoga Raquel is a very open person. I'm going to be sharing anything that I have in my suitcase. Well, I haven't put everything, but I'm just going to give you just a few tips on what is exactly comes first in my suitcase. Things that can never miss out in my suitcase. Let's just slide into it, and then let's see what I have for you guys, what I have in my suitcase, and basics, the things that I normally have. Let me show you. Well, I'm just going to bring out everything. My suitcase is not yet packed. For real. Everybody knows what this is. Oh. Anyway, these are most of the things that I normally have to have on me. These are my glasses, just in case it's a little sunny, because I always need to protect my eyes. That one is like, I cannot go without my glasses. Of course, this is my passport inside with my yellow bar, with my yellow pass. Yeah, for like, like, you know, when if someone has, they need to prove, like, if I have yellow fever, blah blah, those kind of stuff, that I don't have them anyway. And this is, of course, my small bag, which has my phone right over inside here. And then inside I do have my bank cards and everything, as you can really see. And I do have a little bit of some euros, and definitely I will have to get some pounds because I'm traveling in a country where they use pounds. So I'll just put back. Let's see what I have inside again here. Actually, this is also for my, if I have small coins. And definitely I have my mask that I have to have on me always. Basically that's it, and only have my mark, just powder, just to keep it in the nearby, and that's it. So I'll put back this, and then I'll show you exactly on what I do have inside my suitcase. I can't wait, guys, to share everything that I have inside. Please stay around, have a glass of water, drink. Just don't let your body dehydrated. So right over here, I'll start with my side of, yeah, well, I do have some extra mask around me just in case I lose the other ones. These are just supposed to be having, I have to have them on me. This is my camera bag, but right now I'm using it for filming. I do have my, let me say, my underwears, my bras, and my socks, a little bit of, yeah, a couple of socks. And I do have my band for my hair. I do have a couple of pairs of my suitcase. These are my bras, these are my undies. I have 2 bras to travel light, and I do have my undies. So guys, please do not, don't be ashamed, and I am not ashamed. I'm so happy to share this journey so that everybody can learn how to travel and pack lightly. Well, I do have my couple of my earrings from, yeah, my earrings. As you can really see, these are my golden earrings, a couple of them. The packing is for only 5 days. Actually, I can just put these ones right over here on top. In this bag, I just do have my gadgets for my my chargers, my power bank, just in case, my charger for my phone, the charger for my watch. So these are some of my cables, and this is my charger for my computer. No, sorry, this is my charger for my camera, and I really try to make it very easy. In this bag, I have 2 of them, as you can see right over here. What I do have is I do have a little bit of my makeup. Let me show you inside what I do have inside. These are some of my makeup brushes and some lipsticks. So once that is done, that is so set. And here I do have also some of my makeup palette, for the beauty, just in case if I need to have how I want to be, Remember, this is a beauty channel. And I also have this one. Because we're traveling light, I think I'm just going to keep these 2 out of my suitcase. And then I'll just try to travel light with only this one. That is so ready. And then my bag for my camera is right over here. And then I'm going to show you exactly on what you should not really miss out. This is my toilet bag, which has almost everything. So I do have my Buscopan tablets, just in case if I have some stomach pain. I do have these are some small things, like if I need to make some to travel with some little bit of some cream. This is for me just when the plane is setting off. This is just for to disinfect my fingers, like if I need to if I touch somewhere which is not so clean, guys. This is just for chewing gum. This is for my face. Just it's like a cream for, you can really see it's from Nivea. And I also have, just in case if I'm a little tired, I will just have to use this and a little bit of some small stuff. As you can really see, these cotton stuff, and then I'll use them just to clean while I'm on my vacation, to clean my ears. And basically that's it, what we really need to have. I think I'm just going to take my chewing gum and put it in my handbag. And this bag, I have it right over here. You might be asking yourselves, why am I having this right over here? This is just in case I happen to go for some shopping. So this is another extra bag, which is inside right over here, such that I don't need to spend, and I have to also to contribute on this environment, so that we have to keep the environment very well. So again, what I do have in my other extra bag, I do have my body cream. You can see I have a body cream, I have a shower cream, I have my liquid disinfection meter, to clean my hands. This is the one that I normally use. So as you can really see, just to keep the germs away from me. Then this is my toothbrush, and then I do have my Vaseline for my lips. I always need to keep my lips very moisturized. I always have this, and yeah, and this is my cuticle, just in case I get to, like I get some cracks on my nails. I always have to fix them by myself, such that I have to spend to save some money, And so once that is done, my toilet bag looks like this. I do have a little bit of, I will just hang it somewhere. It hangs like this, so it has everything that I need. Is it cute? Is it not a cute one? So I have my, this is my body cream, my body spray from Victoria's Secret. And then I also have my perfume, which is less than, this is very small. It's not so big, so it's really user-friendly. I can travel with it on the plane. And I also have just a few things, like as you've seen. So that's it, what I do really have in my toilet bag. I will put everything back, and then I will show you what I packed for my clothes for my travel to UK. And I hope that everything will really be very fine with me, such that I get to travel lightly. So you can really see how I do pack my things. Here we go. Yeah, so traveling light is very, very enjoyable. You don't know, you just get off the plane and all what you need to do is just you push your suitcase and you're out. So, oh my gosh, is it not closing? Well, it will close. So my toilet bag looks just like this. And I'll put everything back here, and I will show you exactly on my clothes that I really need to travel with me. I'll close right over here, and let's check in my clothes. How light do I travel? Okay, so here we go. These are my sleeping pajamas. This is just a light top, just in case I happen to be like, maybe it's a little warm, such that I'm all covered. And this is only one top. This is a second top. This is when it's a bit cold. This is a bit cold. The reason I've traveled with two black and white, time was two, such that I can easily match it with some of my leggings, like what you can see here. And this is my swimming costume. This is my swimming costume. Only one pair is enough for me. I love to train. I love working out. So in terms, if I don't go for the gym, these are my Nikes. These are my Nike training for the gym. I am sure I will be going to the gym if I happen to go in, if I happen to have some time. So these are my clothes. Of course, this is also from the Nikes. I love Nikes. Thank you, Nikes. Nikes, I love Nikes. So you can really see, yeah, these are my training kits. And then I also have what I can use inside my room or anywhere where I will be staying. And yeah, definitely, just in case I happen to have a dinner. So this is my only dress that I have for dinner. And guys, that is it. So I will not lie to you, this is all I have in my suitcase. Travel light, save money for the second bag, because if I had to travel with another suitcase, that means I would have to pay extra money, and I'm not a fan of being extravagant, and I hate really giving out too much money. So guys, I really have to say thank you so much for taking your time to watch Raquel Joy. If you do find this video very interesting, go ahead and like, subscribe, and share it. So I will be showing you again more other videos. Raquel Joy, your girl. Thank you, everybody. So guys, wish me luck. It's COVID time, and I hope everything goes well for me. And I will close my suitcase. And I'll tell you guys, I am looking forward. The day is soon. It's tomorrow. All right. Thanks, guys.